The Hoover washing machine E16 code signifies a problem with the washer's heating element, which is often caused by a faulty heating element. To fix this issue, start by checking the washer's heating element. Begin by powering off the washer, unplugging the power cable from the electrical outlet, and turning off the water supply. Next, remove the washer's back panel using a screwdriver. Use a multimeter to measure the heating element's resistance. A normal reading should be around 20 to 30 ohms. If the reading is not within this range, disconnect the heating element's wires and unfasten the element using a nut driver. Then, install a new heating element, securing it with a nut driver, and plug the element's electrical connectors into their respective slots. Refit the back panel, reconnect the power cable, and turn on the washer. If the problem persists after attempting these steps, it may be necessary to consult a certified washer repair technician for further assistance.